We are here at LED Expo organized by the Maser Frankfurt in Pragati Maidan. So welcome Mr. Praveen Mahajan.
Thank you.
Praveen Mahajan is the Director of Key Operations and Electro Components Private Limited. So can you tell us about the products displayed here?
We are into this industry for last 6 years, and in this journey we added a lot of lines like Osram, Philips drivers, then Edison, lot of branded LEDs, as well as the products which facilitate in manufacturing of LED products.
Okay.
So now we not only give the LEDs, we support them with the drivers,
Okay.
LEDs, PCBs, so all as a SKD kit or a CKD kit we supply, so that Indian manufacturing, make in India, should grow in India.
So are you a manufacturer as well?
No,
Of certain products?
I will say we are a facilitator for most of the manufacturers in India. So it's a small scale industry. Most of the people in every region is coming up with these products.
Okay.
So we are trying to facilitate on pan India basis, so that Indian market should grow for LED lighting.
So apart from Delhi, do you have a network all India?
Yes, we have offices all India basis. So we have more than 3,000 customers located all over India.
What about the after sales service in case it is required?
After sales, definitely we give warranty guarantees on different products. We support technically also to our customers. If there is any failure, we also give replacement for the same. We try to improve our products on regular basis.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the LED market is growing like anything, and it's a special drive run by the government of India. So what is the future do you see in 2 years down the line?
Future is definitely good, and it's a growing market, but actually it will take some time to stabilize, because there are a lot of people coming up and they are making low cost products, which is also ruining the situation. Okay. And a lot of imitated products or low quality products are coming from China market, which is also not good for India market.
So how do you cope with this problem? Because there is a very price difference, because your principals may be a little bit costlier than the Chinese market products. So how do you cope with the problem?
First of all, we like to educate our customers what is the difference, what type of reports they see, aging reports, LMET reports, and then people also with the time now starting understanding what is difference between Indian make, what after sale support they can get if they buy from an Indian manufacturer, or if they buy from China, no support is there.
Okay, all such things are there. So how is 2 years down the line, how do you see the Indian market will grow? Because all such impediments are there, because the price is quite high still. So how the price will come down, one thing, and how will you cope with the problem with the price?
If we see, when I started my company in 2009, I think now the price is to a level of 1/3. And in next 2 years, I think it will be cheaper than CFL market.
Okay.
And important is that it is a very good for power saving, and people will definitely understand and accept good products down the line.
So what is the factor that price will come down, whether it is a R&D things or anything?
It's a local manufacturing, I think. And because what is the difference between manufacturing in India and China? China is catering a global market, and their market is, big. But now in China also, labor cost is growing, and Then economics of other countries is not so good. Indian market economic is going very well. So we think by next 2 years prices will come down, local manufacturing will grow, and that will definitely add support for dropping in the prices.
So you see that it means prices in China, I mean the labor cost and everything is increasing in China. So do you think all such factors will help India increase manufacturing in India?
Yes, that is a good point which is coming up. But Indian government also need to support on various points in terms of one window taxations. They should support small scale industry. Their taxation should be less. They should support manufacturing, which is a big issue right now, I think.
You have a lot of principles right now. So do you think all these people at one point of time may come and establish their units here in India?
A lot of people are thinking to do so, but again, coming back, I'm not saying, but most of the people, why most of the MNCs has established business in China, not in India? Because India has a very strong point that we have a young generation to purchasing power is very high, better than China. But MNC companies are not coming here because of the infrastructure issues. If Indian government able to, Mr. Modi government able to provide this infrastructure, definitely manufacturing will come to it.
Do you see any difference between the NDA government and the previous government?
It's a difficult question. Only thing I can say, we are hopeful, very much hopeful from Modi government. What he's saying should come to India.
Okay. So anything else you would like to tell about the organizers of this show, Massive Frankfurt?
I think it is better now. From the past couple of years, footfall is growing, infrastructure and the facilities are better.
There is a lot of participation of China and Taiwan here in India, right? So how do you see such factors? Because these companies are here for selling in India, and they may be selling the cheap product or maybe the expensive product as well. So how do you see such factors?
Everyone in India also go outside and visit. A lot of businessmen go there. I think this is the Indian manufacturers has to decide upon the quality. But I believe that now people are understanding what is quality and things will improve. They will not go for price only. They will go for cost-effective products. But that is good point. One good point is even Taiwan and Chinese who are coming, they understand what is the potential of our country.
So apart from the LED products, what are the other range that you have in components?
We are also doing fixtures. We are doing, OT operation theatre lights, modules, then drivers. These are the range.
Thank you. Anything else you would like to tell?
It's okay. Thank you.